Fuzhou Kanglite Aluminium, located in the southeastern coastal city of Fuzhou, China, is a specialized manufacturer focused on the design, production, installation, commissioning, and upgrading of non-ferrous metal strip processing equipment. Our core business includes standalone machinery and supporting accessories used in the processing and finishing of non-ferrous metal strips and sheets. By integrating advanced international technologies and design concepts, we provide equipment solutions that deliver exceptional cost performance and operational reliability. Our technical design team is composed of highly experienced professionals with deep industry knowledge and hands-on field expertise. From system design and structural layout to process optimization, every stage is meticulously engineered to ensure that our products meet customer-specific performance, safety, and efficiency standards. In addition to equipment manufacturing, Kanglite is also a trusted supplier of a wide range of aluminium and aluminum alloy products, including aluminum strips, sheets, and foils, embossed and color-coated aluminum coils, aluminum tread plates, aluminum blind stock. These materials are widely used across industries such as packaging, printing, electronics, construction, and architectural decoration. Our vision, guided by science and technology, committed to quality excellence,